Moving from a B1, B2 visa to a green card. Ladies and gentlemen, before we talk about that, please click on the subscribe button and on the bell. This is Shaparali from the Shaparali Law Group, and we're going to talk about an interesting topic, which is moving when you come on a visitor visa, B1, B2 visa. Can you change to another visa, or can you actually change to a green card? The answer you will see is a little bit more complicated than most people think. In general, the answer is yes. However, there are a few rules to follow. For one, if you come on a visitor visa, you should not have an intent to immigrate, right? So if you have an intent to immigrate, you're in violation of INA 214B. But the thing is, just like, still, when you come on a visitor visa, you can change your visa, change status to maybe H1, maybe to F1, etc., etc. And you can even file for a green card if you have an immediate relative. But there's a rule which is not 100% a rule, but something accepted, the 90-day rule. It used to be the 60-day rule. So if you come to the United States, for example, on a visitor visa, and you get married to a US citizen right away, you will probably be facing trouble, because the problem will be a violation of INA 214B, where you basically already had an intent to get married. However, if the intent is formed after you entered and you wait 90 days and then you get married, there's a lesser chance of that becoming an issue in your case, because the first 90 days is what we call a rebuttable presumption of fraud, which means there is a presumption of fraud, but you can rebut that. So we advise people to wait that 90 days if they're planning to get a green card, getting married to a US citizen, or filing for your parents. Now, having said that, even if you file earlier, you can still get your green card, but you will have to go through some hurdles most of the time. Now, changing status to a non-immigrant visa, for example, let's say you come on a visitor visa, then you decide to go on an F1 visa, student visa. That also can be done, but unfortunately it's taking almost 1 year for this to happen. But while this is going on, you can stay in the United States in a period of authorized stay. And if you need help, feel free to reach out, 510-742-5887. Anything I told you today is my opinion. You should not act or refrain to act solely on the information provided. You should contact an attorney if you have any question. Thank you.